Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Transport Sportline 2.0 TDI 204 PS, and it currently has around 12 miles delivery miles. It comes painted in the stunning pure grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our stunning black alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise risk of damage in the vehicle in any way, the powerful door mirrors do fold when unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a bit of a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting of the ceiling for the added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to back up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that ours are in the correct times, alongside the remote controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel, we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your stated destination on the best possible route. And we can also show the smart cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use. And with this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and cameras ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be tight. Also, our climate controls, we have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy, including your front heated seats with 3 different levels of heat to choose from, offering that cosy driving experience, especially on those winter days. This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.